Smartphones these days come in all sizes, shapes and prices. It wasn't too long ago you really needed to break the bank to get a decent smartphone, but today you can get smartphones from as low as 50 bucks. Of course, specifications are lower at those prices, and in this series I'm checking out the budget phones of around 100 bucks, and today we're looking at the Umidigi A3 Pro. Thanks so much for checking out my video. If you like it, click the thumbs up and consider subscribing for more everyday tech. The box of the A3 Pro itself has an interesting texture, and on the back are the specs. We're talking MediaTek 6739 processor, Android 8.1 Oreo with Android 1, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, a dual nano SIM tray and a dedicated microSD card slot. The phone has a 3300 mAh battery, 5.7-inch LCD display, and it says here HD+, but it's actually 720p, so not really. On the back is a 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera, and on the front an 8 megapixel camera. So far so good, these are very nice specs for a phone this price point. On opening it up, we're welcomed by a thank you note from Umidigi. You're welcome, guys. Behind this we find the phone itself, and it actually has a case around it. We'll just put this to the side for now, and then we see an envelope which says link to the world. Funny. On opening it up you see the SIM card tool and a little booklet about the phone. And underneath that is the power brick with fast charging and a USB to micro USB charging cable. I really like it when manufacturers ship phones with a simple case, which is the case here, pun intended. But let's take this off so we can actually take a look at the phone. Like I said, the case is simple black silicone but with some texture, so that's nice. And on the inside it feels smooth, but hey, it's there. Moving on, the phone itself. There are some stickers on the front and back, I'll peel those off in a second. It feels pretty heavy, but with 187 grams that's not very weird. But I do love the clean premium look of the metallic sides. Let's take a look, shall we? On the bottom of the phone is the headphone jack. Yes, it's there. A microphone, the micro USB charging port and the speaker grill. The right side is equipped with the power button and volume rockers. On the top is absolutely nothing. And on the left side is the SIM and SD card tray. Let's take a closer look at those SIM trays. As you can see, it's a dual nano SIM tray with a dedicated micro SD card slot. This means you don't have to give up your second SIM card to put in an extra memory card. This is actually awesome, and I wish more manufacturers did this. Look at that. I have to say I quite love it. Taking a look at those two cameras at the back, the flash and the fingerprint scanner. And on the bottom is the Umidigi logo and information about the makings and brand. Turning it on and going through the startup process, nothing new here. Did take a long time to load, I have to say. It's quite slow the first time opening up apps, but that's maybe to do with the starting up of the phone. If we're then going into the settings and check out storage, you can see that out of the box there's 5.77 gigabytes used for the system. Opening of the camera real quick. Well, not very quick, as you can see. I've snapped a few shots. Shutter speed is alright. Focus takes a few seconds here and there. We'll test this out more thoroughly, of course. The selfie camera looks alright, but the beauty mode is, to say the least, weird. I look like an alien if I do say so myself. But thankfully, I don't take a lot of selfies. Well, that's the unboxing of the Umidigi A3 Pro and some first impressions. I quite like the look of their new budget phone and love the fact they're using Android 1. I'm quite thrilled to see what this phone can do. We'll get back to you with a full review. Do you have any questions about this phone and what you would like to see in the full review? Let me know in the comments below. Click the thumbs up if you like it and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to get informed the minute I post the next video. For now, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay awesome, and I will see you soon.